I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great today. We're going to talk about the vocabulary and the use of let's. First, the first word of today is activities. Activities are things that people do. For example, play tennis or sing a song or play the guitar. Okay, activities. The next word is let's. Let's is a suggestion. For example, let's go. Let's go. Or let's play, or something like that. Okay? And the last word, the third word, is suggestion. The suggestion is an idea or plan put forward for consideration. For example, in this case, we are going to use let's. For example, let's play or let's start the activity. Let's start the homework. Okay? For example, continue watching the video for more explanation about the. When we give a suggestion or comment, we are giving someone another opinion or possibility. It's for that we use the let's. When we use let's, is for more than one person. For example, let's play. Juguemos is more than one person, and you have to use let's plus a verb. For example, let's and the verb play. Let's and the verb study. Let's and the verb go. Let's study, let's go, or something like that. This is another example of let's. Let's go home. Let's travel. And let's start the lesson. Remember, the activities are study the use of let's. Page 82, activity 3, and Socrative.
See you tomorrow, and remember, eat fruits and vegetables.
I never made it, but I know